This is big steel, bottom end of it.
Now it's hard right at that.
Yeah, I'm gonna go the right channel.
Yeah, because the other one turns.
Oh yeah, you gotta make a hard right turn down here, Stephen.
Okay.
At the gravel bar.
Okay.
So it goes like this and then really stay to the right. Because it's supposed to push you into to the left.
Okay. Don't jump the gun on it.
Okay, there's a rock up
Tend to
ahead.
do that.
Yeah, well. Yeah, you can see the trees falling in over there. It's not going to be as pushy today. Couple rocks there. I guess we're going down this way.
Rock there.
Okay. Good eyes. So we'll go out where Al is, because there's more water over there. Let's keep going out more.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, there's a couple rocks. Now we got to get out to the deeper stuff. Okay, there's a rock right here. Let's go down the main channel here. We'll just bobble along. Just keep it straight. Okay, a little left turn. Perfect. That's it, boys and girls. Fans out into the rubble field. Perfect.